discover the secrets of wildebeests in the African grasslands. In the vast African grasslands, there is a special group of creatures, the wildebeest. These creatures combine the characteristics of many animals: a fierce personality like a wild horse, strong strength like a bison, and a strange appearance mixed with a bit of gentleness like a sheep. The wildebeest's unique shape, including its body, horns, and whiskers, is often difficult to describe. What is even more remarkable is that they play an important role as a mobile meat warehouse on the African grasslands. The wildebeest, a creature of the family Bovidae, order Artiodactyla, can be roughly divided into two types: striped wildebeest and white-tailed wildebeest. They are mainly concentrated in large grasslands in Africa. Wildebeests are very strong, and the weight of an adult antelope can reach 270 kilograms, making it a heavyweight competitor in the grasslands. With its large, muscular appearance and characteristic curved horns, the wildebeest, Synchorus caffa, is one of the symbolic animals of the African savanna. This species of antelope is widely distributed in grasslands, savannas, and open forests in East and Southern Africa, with an estimated population of about 1.8 million animals. Their bodies are elegant and covered with brown fur. The distinguishing mark of wildebeest is the distinctive black mane on their neck, a feature that makes them unique on the savanna. In addition, their whiskers and body stripes are also key to identification. It is worth mentioning that wildebeests have an extremely sensitive sense of smell and can even smell difficult-to-detect water sources. This amazing sensory ability gives them a unique advantage when searching for water and food. Although wildebeests seem mysterious, they are actually native inhabitants of African nature, born naturally from this land. However, it was not until 1842 that scientists officially discovered this species, making it gradually known to the world. Wildebeest have a large muscular body with a shoulder height of 1.4 to 1.7 meters and an average weight of 200 to 250 kilograms. They have short yellow-brown fur with black stripes on the shoulders and rump. Their name, bullhead, comes from their large head with backward curved horns, which can be nearly 1 meter long. Wildebeests are herbivores, eating twigs and leaves. Their lifespan is about 20 years, which is considered a fairly long lifespan among African wildlife. Because of their large size, wildebeest have relatively few natural predators on the African grasslands. Along with the fact that they are social animals, this way of living in groups enhances their sense of security. Speaking of living in herds, this seems to be a natural habit of wildebeests. Every year, they make large-scale migrations like migratory birds. This type of migratory behavior is often a strategy used by social animals to survive. During migration, safety is paramount, and the wildebeest's large size and group strength give them a certain degree of protection. During the non-migratory season, wildebeest often live in small groups of about 30 individuals. However, when the dry season comes, they will gather into armies of hundreds of thousands, even millions of individuals, and embark on the migration journey together. Wildebeest live in herds, with the number of individuals ranging from a few dozen to thousands. The herd is usually led by a dominant male, whose job is to protect the herd from enemies and attract females. The arrival of the dry season is a spectacular sight on the African grasslands. Millions of wildebeest migrate from Tanzania to the Masai Mara, a 3,000-kilometer journey. This migration is a life-or-death challenge for the wildebeest. Not only do they have to face lack of food and water, but they also have to guard against attacks from lions, leopards, and crocodiles. But even so, they still do not hesitate to embark on this dangerous path, just to find a better living environment. So why are wildebeest called the mobile meat warehouse of the grasslands? This is mainly due to their large numbers and strong reproductive ability. New generations of wildebeest continue to increase rapidly, providing a stable source of energy for the grassland food chain. Fixed annual migration times allow many carnivores to rely on wildebeest for survival. Although wildebeest will suffer heavy losses during this migration, their existence certainly contributes greatly to the balance of the grassland ecosystem. Wildebeests are excellent runners, able to reach speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. They are also talented high jumpers, able to leap over obstacles up to 2 meters high. This extraordinary ability to move helps them escape predators and search for food over large terrain areas. Wildebeest play an important role in the African ecosystem. They are a food source for many carnivores such as lions, jaguars, and wild dogs. In addition, wildebeest are very active and eat mainly vegetarian food, which makes their meat very delicious and a favorite prey of many carnivores. The migration of wildebeest not only provides these animals with a rich source of food, but also promotes the maintenance of biodiversity in the grasslands. In short, wildebeest have become an indispensable part of the African grasslands with a unique way of survival and an important role in the grassland ecosystem. Their existence and migratory behavior not only brings vitality to the grassland, but also creates the basis and ensures the survival of other organisms. One of the most interesting mysteries about wildebeest is their migratory behavior. Every year, millions of wildebeest travel thousands of kilometers from the Serengeti in Tanzania to the Masai Mara in Kenya in search of food and water. This is one of the largest animal migrations in the world. The wildebeest is a beautiful and important wild animal that plays a vital role in the African ecosystem. Protecting wildebeest and their habitat is essential to maintain biodiversity and ecosystem balance.